A new photo allegedly showing Mahesh Babu as Lord Ram from S.S. Rajamouli's upcoming film Varanasi has taken social media by storm. Although there is no official confirmation about the authenticity of the image, it has already gone viral, with fans comparing Mahesh Babu's look to Ranbir Kapoor's portrayal of Lord Ram in Nitesh Tiwari's Ramayana. The viral image shows Mahesh Babu dressed in yellow-hued attire, believed to be inspired by Lord Ram's Vanvas era. It appears to have been captured during a shoot, with crew members visible in the background as the actor performs his scene. The picture was first shared on social media as a screenshot with the caption, "Mahesh Babu's Lord Ram look from Varanasi takes the internet by storm." Soon after, fans flooded the comments section with their reactions. One user wrote, "Nameet and Ranbir better be prepared. Kahin SSR 10 minute में पूरी रामायण movie को overshadow ना कर दे, as he did with teaser." Another social media user had a different theory and commented, "These leaks are on purpose. Hollywood started doing it, and now everyone else just follows." One comment simply read, "PR." Many fans also praised Mahesh Babu's appearance as Lord Ram. One user wrote, "He looks like the character." Another commented, "Yes, he looks amazing. Can't say about his acting, but he suits the character. IDK, why this looks like an AI image though." Another fan expressed confidence in director S.S. Rajamouli and wrote, "I trust in SSR to get the best out of MB. While another excited fan commented, "OMFG, this is my Ram, he looks great." Even though the viral image remains unverified, it has certainly increased excitement around Varanasi, which is already being considered one of the most awaited Indian films. Interestingly, Rajamouli himself had spoken about Mahesh Babu's transformation during an event last year. He said, "On the first day, when Mahesh came in Lord Ram's get-up for the photo shoot, I had goosebumps. I was torn. Mahesh has the charm of Krishna, but the calmness of Ram. Still, I was confident. I even set that photo as my wallpaper and then removed it so that no one would see it." Apart from Mahesh Babu, Varanasi also stars Priyanka Chopra, marking her much-awaited return to Indian cinema. The film also features Prithviraj Sukumaran as the antagonist. While several viral fan theories claim that he may be playing a version of Kumbhakaran, there has been no official confirmation from the makers. Varanasi is currently scheduled to release in 2027. Until then, fans will have to wait and see whether the viral photo is genuine. But one thing is certain, the internet is already buzzing, and anticipation for Rajamouli's epic continues to grow with every new update.